Okay, this is our 1-2 lesson quiz practice sheet. This is like the one that's online, but the problem's a little bit different. So here we want to describe the steps that we would use to copy XY. So we make another line where we're going to do the copy. We measure the distance from X to Y, and then we mark it off on the new line where we want the copy to move to, and I'm going to call these X prime, Y prime for the new segment. So that works. Use a straight edge to draw a line and label point M. Yeah, that's good. Place compass point X. Open the compass point to length XY. That's good. A is wrong because we don't use a ruler. Use a straight edge. That's B. C, we open the compass point. And D, same setting, draw arc. Mark point is the intersection. So B, C, and D work. And E is not going to work because that would be to find the midpoint. So to copy angle CAB, we make a line where we're going to copy one of the sides to. We're going to strike an arc that goes through both sides of AB, both rays, ray AB and ray AC. Transfer the same arc to where we want the copy to go. And then we're going to use the compass to measure the distance between those 2 points where the arcs intersect, and then transfer that distance down below. Take that point where they cross, connect it to the vertex, or to the point where the vertex needs to be, and that's going to be our copy of the angle. So let's look at the steps and identify the correct ones. So draw a line, mark A prime on it. That's yes. Set the compass to length AB. No. Place the compass point A, mark an arc. Yes. And label the intersection of the arc in the new line C prime. That would actually, okay, let's see. So set the compass to AB. Oh, which is not part of the process. Okay, so we had to take that one out. So that's the one that is not. Measure the distance. Okay, now we're going to bisect that angle. So I'm going to use those 2 points. I checked to see that they were the same distance away from the vertex, and you draw the line up the middle. So in order to construct the interior where she placed the compass point, you'd place it at B and C. What describes how to construct an angle whose measure is equal to 1/4 the measure of CAB? Well, if we just kind of sketch in CAB, if I bisect it, each one of those angles is going to be half the measure. So I'm going to show the bisection here. Strike the arc, do an arc in the center, connect it together. I've got half the angle. Now if I want to quarter that angle, I have to do half again. So I'm going to take each one of those new angles and cut them in half again. Then I would have all quarters. So I'm striking the arc there. I'm going to use that point, find an arc in the center, find another arc in the center where they cross each other, connect that point to the vertex, and now I will have a quarter of the original big angle. And we could do the same thing on the other side also. So we have a half, a quarter, and a quarter, which makes the whole thing. We'll check it here. So let's see what we got. First thing you would have to do would be to bisect CAB. We don't really need to copy it. Oh, we want double the measure on this one. So to get double the measure, what we're going to do is take the original angle, and we're going to use the side of the original angle as one of the sides, and we're going to basically add the angle to the other side of it. So I still need to strike the arc and get the distance. Find out how far they are apart from each other before they cross, and then I'm going to put that distance down below, and when I pull this up you'll be able to see it better. And then I'm going to draw the line. So actually what I'm doing is I'm copying that angle down below. So rather than doing a separate side, I'm putting the angle, I'm using that side and adding the angle onto it. And that's it for this one.